In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful platform that helps businesses manage their relationships with potential and current customers. Creating deals effectively in HubSpot can streamline your sales processes and, ultimately, enhance team productivity. Let's dive right into the process to get you started. First, we need to navigate to the HubSpot platform. If you haven't already logged in, please do so to gain access to all the features you'll need today. Now, you're going to go to the trial guide. This area forms the backbone of your Sales Hub operations and serves as a central point for accessing various sales features, including setting up and managing deals. Once you are in the trial guide, you will want to look for the Deals section. You should find it on the main dashboard or by using the search function if needed. Clicking on Deals will take you to a fresh window where you can manage all your existing deals and create new ones. This section is crucial for organizing and building your sales pipeline efficiently. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. You might notice multiple tabs and filters that allow you to view your deals based on different criteria. Now, let's move on to creating a deal. Look for the Create Deal button and click on it. This button is typically located in a prominent position on your Deals dashboard to provide easy access. Clicking it will open a new form where you can input the details needed for your deal. Here, it's important to collect and fill in all necessary information accurately. Details you might need to include range from the deal name to the deal amount, associated contacts, and the expected close date. Make sure you have all this information at hand beforehand. After filling in the initial details, take your time to adjust any settings your organization might require. This might include assigning the deal to a specific team member, adding tags for categorization, or setting priority levels. All these tasks might seem trivial but are key for an organized and efficient sales pipeline. Before you wrap up, double-check all the information entered to ensure its correctness. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and save the deal. You have now successfully created a deal in HubSpot. Remember, regularly updating each deal's status is vital for keeping track of your interactions and providing your team with the most current insights into the sales process. This can significantly enhance collaboration and ensure that everyone stays aligned. Today, we've broken down how to create a deal within HubSpot into a straightforward process. Hopefully, this helps you streamline your sales activities and better your management of customer relationships. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on making the most out of HubSpot and other useful platforms.